Bitcoin mining. How I generated $225 in 48 hours. How was I able to generate $225 in just 2 days? Let me walk you through on how I was able to do that. During some of my routine research, looking for legitimate online earning tools, I came across this Bitcoin mining app. Honestly, like many of you, I was skeptical at first, but I said let me give it a try and see how it worked. On the very first day, I was able to make $15, and on the second day, an extra $52 was added, and by the following day, it jumped up the way up to $225. Yes, I generated $225 in 48 hours through mobile code mining. And today I want to pull back the curtain and show you everything I saw inside this app, step by step. Welcome back to Okpotatv, a digital brand proudly operated by Okpotatv Ventures. I am Sunday, your online how-to coach. If you are looking for a practical ways to explore the digital space, use smart tools, and earn money online without wasting your time, you are definitely in the right place. Today we are diving deep into this Bitcoin mining app. If you haven't watched our previous video on how to make $11.5 every day with Kudos mining app, it is not too late for you. Check it out after this video. Also, don't forget to join our active WhatsApp channel or our Telegram channel for quick updates, proof of withdrawals, and reminder for all the apps you have registered through our video instruction. And I have pinned the link in the description of this video and in the comment section below. Go ahead and join our community today. It's totally free. Without wasting any more time, let's go straight into the app interface and see how it works. To install this particular app safely, go straight to the comment section of this video or the description of this video where I have pinned the direct link. Click it and it will direct you straight to the official Google Play Store. Once it is installed successfully on your phone, open it and you will see the main splash screen saying mine Bitcoin instantly, no setup needed, right where the arrow is pointing on your screen. Then click on slide to start and it will initiate the BTC code mining connection instantly. Just click slide through the next walkthrough prompts. 1. Mine Bitcoin remotely. No expensive hardwire or rings needed. Just click the slide. 2. Effortless BTC mining. Anytime, anywhere. Just click the slide. Next, the app will prompt you to where you can select your country and make sure you select your actual country correctly. After that, select your preferred language, which will bring you to account creation menu. And in that menu, if you want a welcome bonus, you have to input where the arrow is pointing. Input the following code showing on the screen now inside the open box. Only do that if you want to secure a welcome bonus. Next, click where the arrow is pointing, where you can log in with your Google account by clicking continue with Gmail. Then from that menu, choose an available email address to continue setting up your BTC mining account. Make sure you select an active email address you have active login access to, just in case a security or a verification code is sent later when you want to request for a withdrawal of your BTC that you have mined. After that, boom, just like that, you have created your account and you will see this welcome notification pop up on the app. Congratulations, as a part of our commitment, we have added free 5.30 GH/S code mining boost to your account. Thanks for signing up. We have credited your account with 0.00005000 BTC as a welcome gift. Then click on skip to move to the main dashboard. Here you will see the mining panel showing your active 5.30 GH/S hash rate running globally. And when you scroll down, you will see an important notice that says mining will stop when the timer stops, and you need to restart it manually to continue mining. From there, you click start mining just where the arrow is pointing and a menu will pop up saying watch this AD to activate good mining. Current hash rate is 5.30 GH/s. Then you click where the arrow is pointing to that say watch now. While the AD is displaying, look at the top corner just where the arrow is pointing for the countdown timer. During that process, don't cancel it and don't close the app. Just wait until finish playing completely and you will see reward granted. Then click where the arrow indicates and your credited balance will start increasing instantly. Now, how do you speed things up? Like if you want to make the speed of your mining to increase, at the bottom of the app interface, just go straight to where the arrow is pointing. Click it to access an additional power up. And in there you will see upgrade your hash rate. And when you look closely, just where the arrow is pointing, you will see details and benefits. Then click on watch AD and boost for 5 minutes to temporarily accelerate your mining speed. After that, your daily reward. Your base speed starts at 5.30 GH/s. And when you click on the first daily reward and watch the sponsor AD, it will give you an extra boost that jump your speed up to 30.90 GH/s. Furthermore, click on the second daily reward just where the arrow is pointing on the screen, and that pushes your speed up 83.20 GH/s, significantly speeding up just what is showing on the screen. Always remember to log in daily and activate those boosts, because consistency is what makes the number to speed up and increase. Now, to check how many dollar and Bitcoin you have accumulated in a day inside your wallet, just follow the direction of the arrow on your screen. And in this menu, you will see your initial bonus just where the arrow is pointing, alongside your total earning. Remember, the more active you are with your manual restart and AD boost, the more Bitcoin you will mine over time. Let's talk about the referral system. With your unique code, both you and the person you refer receive mature bonus, just what is showing on the screen. That says 0.00005.00 BTC. The person you refer will receive that amount, and you that refer the person will also receive that amount. And to locate your code, just follow the direction of the arrow on your screen right now, and where the arrow is pointing, that is your referral code. Copy it and share it with your friends or community members. And if you want to share Bitcoin to USD conversation history, just go straight to where the arrow is pointing. Click it to view your daily conversation record, just like the amount showing on my screen here. What really prompted me to make this video is that I often hear people saying that there is no way to mine Bitcoin with a mobile phone. But when I came across this app, I saw thousands of people across the world actively using the app. And you can verify this by yourself by checking the top global mining list just where the arrow is pointing on the screen, right from this tab. With this full breakdown, I want to leave you with one body rule. If an app ever requests for an upfront payment or deposit fee before you can withdraw your mined coin, do not pay. As a genuine mobile miner, you never have to spend your own money upfront to cash out from a free mining app. And if you run into any issue during the setup, drop a comment below. I am always hanging out in the comment section to answer your question and to help you out. If this video have really helped you, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Also, there are 3 recommended videos that you need most at the end of this screen that will pop up right now. The one that will pop up here will show you how to make $11.5 every day while you are sleeping. And for your next step in your digital mining journey, click on this video that will pop up here. In future time, if this video cover a KYC, it will pop up under here. These 3 videos are the next perfect project to add to your online earning portfolio. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of Okpotatv venture. I will see you in the next one. Bye.